Okay, I'm going to show you here how to cite either a moment or a quote from a film in updated MLA format 8th edition. Here I'm quoting a scene and I've clearly identified the film that I'm using as well as the character who's talking. And so what I need in the parentheses here is the hour, minute, and second timestamp of when this quote was said in the film. So I'm watching the film here on Amazon Prime, and here is the moment where she says the line, and I just look over here and I can see at which hour, minute, and second that is happening. In the case where you might have a situation where it's not clear in the paragraph what film you're talking about, or maybe you're talking about a whole bunch of different television episodes or something like that, and it's not, entirely clear to the reader exactly where that's coming from, you will need to include some additional information here in the parentheses. You would use whatever comes first on your works cited page, which in the case of the film is oftentimes going to be the director, or in the case of a television program will be the title of the episode. But if we make it clear in the paragraph where this is coming from, then we just need the hour, minute, second stamp.